Yeah, there's a lot of S's. Yeah, I get that. I can do it. I can handle it. I can do it. I can do it. Right. 6 super steps to share your stuff and subsequently secure sales. Yeah, I got it. So here we are. Let's do it. Let's do 6 super steps. So here we are. Number 1, tell people about it. So you are not going to magically sell your products. Well, you might with a good old Google search, and if you've used the right keywords, eventually you might. But let's make it happen sooner. I'm not putting another S in. I'm not putting S for sooner. That would get ridiculous. Mind you, that it'd be 7, which also because... Anyway, so number 1, yes, tell people about it. Just tell them. Don't be shy. You've created something wonderful. You brought something wonderful into the world. Let's see you tell them. Or let's hear you tell them. Anyway, tell them. Number 2, don't just tell them once. The internet, this wonderful place in which we all reside nowadays, is a very busy place. It's got a lot going on. People catch some things, they don't catch other things. Say it a few times. Do not feel like you are banging your head against a brick wall and telling people until they really can't bear hearing from you or seeing you ever. Because this happens. They get to see one of your posts, maybe see 2. So be repetitive. Show it a few times. Put it in a few places. Put it in a few places a few times, even. And then don't just share. Guilty as charged. Don't just share a post of just a listing. Share it in the wild. Maybe do a mock-up. Maybe if it's a t-shirt, maybe get one, wear it, model it. Why not? Why not? Show it in the wild. Show people, okay, we all know how to wear a t-shirt, but show people, the sort of people who would want it, or why it's cool, why it's great to have, why it's going to make them so much more popular, nicer, friendlier, lovelier. Show it in the wild. Next, remind them. So it's sort of like number 2 in that we're repeating ourselves and showing them again and again, but it's more than that. It's a subsequent post, subsequent again, another post, a post linking to the last one, but be a bit clever and a bit savvy with it. Because this time I want you to be sure that if people only catch the second video or the second post or whatever it is, it still makes sense. So it makes sense in its own right, but also it's like a sequel. It's really not that hard, honestly, I promise. Anyway, what about an unboxing video? So number 5, my 5th tip, my 5th step is an unboxing video. Now, I don't care how shy you are. You said something else then. I don't care how shy you are. You can do an unboxing video, I promise you. We have hands and we can open a video. And if we haven't got hands, we can record somebody else opening a video to do it for us. We can do this. An unboxing video they are so popular. Everybody loves an unboxing video. And finally, my 6th and very important, most important, one might say, step is always include direct links, because a direct link means that people get straight there. If people have to go all around the houses trying to find it, they will give up. They will just not bother. They will not find your product. They will go off and do something else. Make it as few, not as many, that makes like no sense. Make it as few clicks as possible to get to your product. And then sit and count the royalties. Anyway, I hope you found that helpful. Great to have you here watching, and please do like and subscribe.